Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a new folder in Visual Studio Code and create a new file in it. So first step you need to do is to open Visual Studio Code and then you need to click on File, click on Open Folder, and here you need to click on New, click on Folder. So I'm going to name it New, select folder, okay, and now I want to create a file, so you simply need to click here file, add the name of your file. So I'm going to add hts.c, okay, and let me show you in the downloads it will be created. So new, and here it is. So this is a process that you need to follow to create a new folder in Visual Studio and create a new file in it. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.